Number 14 of exercise 2.2. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh. How many notes of each denominations does she have? Okay, in the question number 14, it is given that Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has the currency notes of denominations rupees 100, 50 and 10 respectively. Means only the notes of rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 she has. And these notes are in the ratios. The ratios are given, which is 2:3:5. And total amount she has is rupees 4 lakh. We have to find now number of notes of each denominations, which how many notes of rupees 100, how many notes of rupees 50, how many notes of rupees 10. We have to find. Let's see the solution of question number 14. First, given is ratio. So first we'll write given part and given the ratio of the number of notes of rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 is 2:3:5 respectively. Okay, this is given that ratio of number of notes of rupees 100, 50 and rupees 50 and rupees 10 is 2:3:5 respectively. Means 100, 2, 50, 3, 10, 5. Here we let the number of rupees 10 notes. Okay, I already explained you the questions of ratios. Okay, I will give you also the link in this video. Let number of rupees 100 notes is 2x. We are removing ratio with a variable. Number of rupees 50 notes is 3x. Number of rupees 10 notes is 5x. Okay, and it is given the total amount she has is 4 lakh. Okay, so now according to question, we can also write in given part total amount Lakshmi has equal rupees 4 lakh. 4 lakh rupees she has total amount. Now according to question, total cash equal rupees 100 into 2x plus 50 into 3x plus 10 into 5x. Okay, क्योंकि टोटल केस क्या हो जाएगा, 100 की नोट्स कितने थे 2x, तो 2x इंटू 100. 50 के नोट्स कितने थे 3x, तो 3x इंटू 50. 10 के 5x, तो 5x इंटू 10. If for example if you have 2 notes of 100, then total what is the total amount does you have is 200. 2 into 100, just like that, 2x into 100, 3x into 50, 5x into 10, because she has total amount 4 lakh. When we get 4 lakh, when we know the total number of notes of 100, total notes of 50 and total notes of 10, उनको हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे उन्हीं के अमाउंट से, मीन्स 100 के नोट से 2x, तो 2x इंटू 100, 50 3x and 10 5x. Total case 4 lakh which is given. 100 into 2x 200x, 50 into 3x 150x, 10 into 5 50x. Now we'll add all these three terms. So 4 lakh equal 200 plus 150 350 plus 50 400, 400x. We have to find the value of x. So transfer 400, so 4 lakh upon 400 equal x. 20 is cancelled out by 20, 4 cancelled by 4000 cancelled by 4000 times, so value x equal 100, sorry 1000, x equal 1000. But in question we have to find the number of notes of each denominations. So it means how many notes of hundreds, how many notes of 50, how many numbers of 10, and we let it number of rupees 10 notes is 2x. We get the value of x, so put the value of x here, and we get the, then we'll get the value of number of notes of 100. Same here for number of 50 notes, and same here for number of rupees 10 notes. Okay, thus the number of rupees 100 notes is, okay, rupees 100 notes is 2x. So number of rupees 100 note is 2 into 1000. 2 into 1000 is 2000. So rupees 2000. Sorry. So number of rupees 10 notes is 2000. The number of rupees 50 notes. Number of 50 notes is, we let it 3x. So 3 into 1000. 3 into 1000 is 3000. And the number of rupees 10 notes, and we let it 5x. So 5 into 1000, 5000. That's it. We have to find the number of each denominations, means number of 100 notes, number of rupees 50 notes, and number of rupees 10 notes. So number of 100 notes is 2000, and number of 50 notes is rupees 50 notes is 3000, and number of rupees 10 notes is 5000. That's it.